Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to calculate the volume of solid using the method of slices. Now, the method of slice is a technique in calculus, basically where we find volume by using definite of a integral of the cross-section area written as a of x or a of y. The main idea is to imagine a cutting a 3D objects into many very thinly slices and add all of that together to be the total volume. To understand this method, imagine a slicing a loaf of bread. Each slice is very thin. In math, we call the thickness of each slice dx. Now each slice also had an area which we call a of x. So the volume of small slice is approximately a of x times dx. To find the total volume, we add all the slices from one side to the others. This is done using an integral. We equal the integral from a to b of a of x dx. Now, the ax is the area of each slice. Dx is the thickness. Now, the shape of each slice can be different depending on the problem. There are four common shapes. They are square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. For example, if the slice is a square, the area is size square. If it's triangle, the area is 1/2 time base time height. If it's a circle though, the area is pi times radius square. So, the most important step is to find the correct formula for the a of x. Now, let's look at an example. Supposedly, we have a solid where the base goes from a equals 0 to a equals 2, and each cross section is a square. Easy one. The side length of each square is equal to x. Right. Now, step 1, we find the area function. Since the length is x, the area of the square is a of x equal x squared. Step 2, we use the formula of v equal the integral from a to b of a of x dx. It's gonna write like this. Now, step 3, solve the integral. The integral of x squared is x cubed over 3. Now we elevate the x from 0 to 2 is going to be 2 cubed over 3 minus 0 cubed over 3. And we get the volume to be 8 over 3. So, the total volume of the solid is 8 over 3. This means we add up all the small square slices from x2 to x2. Yep. Now each slice contribute a small volume and together they form the entire solid. Alright, let's look at another quick example. Now, if the cross section are a triangle of the square, the area formula changes. For example, if the base and height are both x, then a of x is 1 over 2 times the x squared. Now, so formula volume are becoming instead of this to this. Now the process is the same, only the area formula changes. In conclusion, the method of slice is a powerful way to find the volume of a solid. We divide the solids into thin slices, find the area of each slices, and then use integration to add them all together. The most important step is finding the correct cross-section area function, d of x. Now, this will be all. Thank you for your attention.